Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to save your Microsoft Word file as JPEG without any stress. Let me show you how. So I'm going to use this particular document as an example right here. So this is a Word document right here, just like what you see. This is an editable Word document. And how can we export this as a JPEG file format? So for instance, you try to go to File from the top right here and you go ahead and click on Save As. Then you browse your file destination and then you come to Save As type right here, and then you can no longer find a JPEG format right here. So I'm going to show you exact way how you can save this same file as JPEG in MS Word without any stress. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and close this tab right here, and I'll go back to my Word document right here. So first thing first, make sure you press Ctrl A. When you press Ctrl A, this allows you to select all file in your MS Word and press Ctrl C. This allows you to copy. So once you copy all the format and the text in the MS Word, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then go to File again. And then this time around, you want to make sure you click on New right here. Then go ahead and click on Blank Document. So next thing you want to do right here is to paste the particular file right here. For that, go ahead and right click in the environment right here. Then you go ahead and navigate to this particular image icon right here. So go ahead and click on that. And then you have successfully pasted this particular document as JPEG, just like what you see right there. And next thing you want to do is to export this file as JPEG. How do you do that? Go ahead and right click again. And then having right click, and next thing you want to do is to go ahead and look for Save As Picture right here. Go ahead and click on that. And then here you go, you have it right here. And the next thing you want to do is to choose the file destination. Then you have to make sure you name it. I'm going to name this MS Word as picture. Just like so. And then you can click on here now and choose different file formats. So in this tutorial, we are using JPEG file format, and I'm go ahead and save. So after successful export, I'm going to minimize the second one right here. Then we want to make sure we look for it. So this is the JPEG picture format right here. So I'm going to go ahead and press Enter key to open the file. Then we have it right here as JPEG in picture format right here. You can see everything still remains much more quality and no information was removed as far as this particular format is concerned. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Microsoft Word like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.